Tucker.
Good morning, guys. It's 4 in the morning. I'm just leaving from my parents' house to the airport. I'm going to New Mexico. Uber's on its way right now. Give you guys the lowdown. I'm going to something called Venture Workshop. It's with some amazing filmmakers. Give you an example, White and Reverie. They're incredible. Forestry Films, Jay Worsley, some others. Who is Matt Johnson? So I'm really, really excited just to get to learn from them, build some community, see who else is in the industry from across the country, and just, you know, get to check out New Mexico, because I don't know if I ever would have been to New Mexico if it wasn't for this. So I'm really looking forward to it. We're gonna head to the airport. Once we get to New Mexico, we're gonna pick up somebody who I don't even know, and then we're gonna head straight up to Ghost Ranch. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey, but to speed things up, let's just do this cinematically and go. If you want to think about a fast way to wake up in the morning, even faster than coffee, show up to the airport, forget your ID, get all the way to baggage claim, and realize you forgot your ID. We're good. I needed my coffee. Okay, we are in New Mexico. It's awesome. We've got Christian, we've got Phil, and we're doing some drone stuff before the actual event starts. It's awesome. You just guys check this out. It's just beautiful. Okay, guys, droning is complete.
Yeah,
we can.
Sam called her, but I think
Okay, droning's complete. We're done. We're heading back for check-in, and I have no idea what the rest of the night's gonna hold. It's probably done here, so we're just like, we're out of here, right, Christian?
Yeah.
Yeah.